Malyadri Talentz. Today I'm going to tell you how to make your own personal assistant Jarvis using Python. This is part 2. I already did part 1. If you don't, I'll give links in the description. You can watch it, or a card will come above. You can see that. Okay, and now let's get started. Okay. Last time we did normal commands. Now we are going to do high commands. Now we are gonna go doing web browser. What we are going okay, see the last video I forgot to tell you need to pip install PyAudio. If that doesn't work, you need to do pip install pip-will. And if that too doesn't work, you just comment down below. I'll tell you what to do. After that, we are gonna do pip install web browser. I have already installed web browser, so import web browser. Okay, now what are we gonna do is like as we did over here, we're gonna do if open YouTube query web browser dot open. We need to do HTTPS. Okay, let me get YouTube stuff. Sorry, it's Y for YouTube. Okay, wait. Let me just copy paste this thing. Okay. Okay, we got to know that. www. Okay. Wait, what's it? www dot youtube.com. I think it's this. I think I should notice. Okay, this is the thing, and then print wait a minute. Okay, wait. Opening YouTube. And what we are gonna do is like speak opening YouTube. Okay, now let's just run it. Okay, wait. Okay guys, I'm going to tell you a few cool extensions for Visual Studio. Okay, these are the extensions I use, which are very cool. You guys can use it also. Okay, first one is Discord presence. What's that used for? It's like, wait, I'll show you. Now we have Discord over here, and let's go to my stuff. Okay, over here you can see that I'm getting this thing, editing a Python file. So that's what it does. And why I have installed this means, okay, you need to even install Discord. You cannot do it from web. And other one is Dracula official theme. That is this theme. And okay, this theme is Dracula theme. And the other theme is Jupyter. It gets automatically installed. This is Pylons. It's from what you tell Microsoft. It's also great because why I tell means it pop-ups. Okay. Open YouTube. Okay, let it recognize. It finds soft errors faster. And the other one is tab 9 auto. What it does is like it gives humans like okay. Open YouTube. Okay. See. You can see that it starts opening YouTube.
Opening YouTube.
Okay, you can hear that opening YouTube. Bye. Bye. Okay, let it take time. Until then, I'll explain about tab 9 automatic. If you're typing any code, it shows you what code is suitable for you or suggests few codes. So this thing also helps you a lot. And these are the extensions I use.
Goodbye, sir.
Goodbye. Okay, we got it. So this is a part using web browser. Hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure to subscribe so that you get videos whenever I upload. And even don't forget to share, like, comment down below if you feel any problems or suggestions or query. Thank you.